Imagine this: a warm, sunny day on the Brazilian beaches, the sound of waves cresting and rolling onto the shore, the heat of the sun kissing your skin, a soft tropical breeze carrying the exotic, tantalizing scent of Sol de Janeiro's hair and body perfume mist. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the fragrance transport you to a place where it's summer all year round. A genuine splash of paradise. Sol de Janeiro's hair and body perfume mist gives you more than just a delightful scent. It's an experience, a journey enfolded in each spritz. The inviting aroma of passion fruit, salted caramel, and pistachio captures the very essence of Brazilian beaches. The vibrant atmosphere, lush landscapes, and the unforgettable warmth of tropical summer. So, why settle for just a perfume when you can hold the spirit of Brazil's everlasting summer in your hands? Embark on a sensory trip to paradise with every spritz of Sol de Janeiro's hair and body perfume mist.